Hari Om. We'll start with the prayer. Om Samasta Jana Kalyani Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Tvameva Mata Cha Pitattvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakhattvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravidam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Amadeva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Gurudeva Deva. Hari Om. We are doing the Vedanta question and answers, and one of the questions is, what is Om? Om is called Pranavam, that gives you the life for all mantras also. So we start with the Om and then the name of the Lord. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya. All this starting with Om gives you the life for the mantra itself. Then what is Om? Om is that Om Ityekaksharam Brahma. So one aksharam, that is symbol, itself indicates the Brahman, that is infiniteness. And there is Om is used as a symbol of Hinduism also, and says like all other religious symbols, they put Om as the religious symbol, Hinduism religious symbol. But it's actually symbol for the very essence of the truth itself. And what is Om? Om is Ekaksharam Brahma. One letter indicates the Brahman. How? So Om, Akara, Ukara, Makara, Miti. So Om is actually made up of three letters, A plus O plus A plus O is in Sanskrit is O, and follows Om. So Om itself is consisting of A and U and M in English, or A plus O plus M. So that is all the three indicating of Brahman. How? So whole Mandukya Upanishad talks about this. Whole on the Om, and it's one of the most scientific Upanishad also. So what is Om then? We starts with any language, particularly in the all the Indian languages, starts with A. So means you are closing your mouth. So all letters are within opening mouth to closing your mouth. So all letters are included from A to and all letters are indicative of the words, and words are indicative of the objects, and all universe is nothing but all objects put together. Therefore, Om stands for the entire universe itself. And then there is a silence. You don't say Om. It is Om and the silence, and then Om. That's how the Om Upasana also. So silence follows after that. So that A, U, M and silence, that means from the silence whole letters are coming, sustained by silence and goes back into silence. All the whole world, universe raises with the Om, sustained by Om and goes back into Om. That's one way of looking at it. And the Mandukya Upanishad explained that. So A stands for the waking world. Entire waking world is designated by A. And the dream state is designated by O, and state is designated by the M, that is a deep sleep state. So you have waking state and a dream state and a deep sleep state. And all states arising from one I am, it is consciousness that I am, sustained by I am consciousness and goes back into that. That's how the creation is described. Yato va imani bhutani jayante, ena jatani jivanti, yat prem cha visham vishanti, tad vinyasasva, tad brahmeti, that whole universe of objects and everything, varieties of names and forms. So with all arise from that, sustained by that, into which it goes back. So when you say it goes back, it is becoming, means it is a material cause. So the gold becomes an ornament. So that essentially it's a material cause. Intelligent cause is different for gold ornaments. A goldsmith, he doesn't become ornaments, he only creates ornaments. There the intelligent cause and the material cause are different. Whereas in the case of universe, we cannot bring intelligent cause separate from the material cause. It is abhinna nimitta upadana karanam. Same cause for both the material and intelligent cause, and that is designated by Om, because the whole universe is rising from Om, sustained by Om, goes back into Om, because the universe consists of waking world, dream world, and as well as the deep sleep state. And what is the silence that stands for? Silence for that from which the whole universe came, that which universe is sustained, into which it goes back, and that silence is designated of, because there cannot be any objectification. You have to be silent only. How do you describe? You have to describe nothing, because no words can talk about that which is beyond words. So that silence designates the Turiyam, the fourth state of consciousness, as though, and Mandukya Upanishad Mantra 7 talks about that Turiyam, which cannot be talked about, but the Upanishad provides an indicatory definition to find out what that is. And it says, na anta pragyam na bhavi pragyam no vayata pragyam na pragyana ghanam na pragyam na pragyam, and this is adrushtam avyeham and prapanchopashamam shantam shivam advaitam chaturtham manyante. It's called fourth state only for convenience, because it's not a waking state, dream state, deep sleep state, but it supports all the three states, yet different from all the three states. So chaturtham manyante, sa Atma, that is the self that you are, and that is the Brahman also. So Atma, so that has to be inquired. So you have to find out yourself who you are. You think yourself only I am this, which you cannot be, because this is an object and you are a subject. So nanta pragyam, na bhahi pragyam, neither you cannot be anything outside that can be pointed out. Nothing in the waking state you are, nothing in the dream state you are, nothing in the deep sleep state you are. That is designated by that which is Turiyam, fourth state. It is Shantam, Shivam, Advaitam. It is pure Shantam, which is peace, that is peace that passes understanding, and Shantam Shivam, that is auspicious, and that Shivam means auspiciousness, and Shantam Shivam Advaitam, there is no duality whatsoever, and that which supports all duality, but there is no duality because it supports waking, dream and deep sleep state, and that designated by Om. Therefore, Om Ityekaksharam Brahma. And other philosophers also interpret A stands for Vishnu, U stands for Lakshmi, and M stands for Jiva. And Jiva is meant for, through Lakshmi, you have to reach the Vishnu, and that's what is called Omkara also, according to the Sister Advaita. So Om stands for the symbolism of the essential absolute truth. With that, please stop. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamiva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.